In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a layer in Inkscape. Layers are a simple but powerful way to organize your artwork, keeping different parts of your design separate and easy to manage. Think of them like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. You can draw on one layer without disturbing the others, which is perfect for complex illustrations, logos, or documents with multiple elements. First, open Inkscape. You can start with a new document or open an existing file. Either way works. Once your canvas is up, you'll want to bring up the Layers dialog. This is the control center for managing layers. Go to the top menu and click Layer, then choose Layers. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Shift plus Control plus L to open it instantly. Keep that shortcut in mind. It's a real time saver as your projects grow. With the Layers dialog open, you'll see your current layer setup. To create a new one, click the plus icon labeled Add Layer. A small window will appear asking for a name and the position of the new layer. Give your layer a clear, descriptive name, something like Sketch, Text, or Icons. Good names help you stay organized, especially when you return to a file weeks later. Next, choose where the new layer should go. Select above. If you want it to sit on top of the currently selected layer, below if you want it underneath, or sublayer if you want it nested inside the current layer as part of a group. Above is useful for adding highlights or annotations. Below works well for backgrounds, and sublayer helps keep related items grouped together without mixing them into unrelated parts of your design. After you've made your choices, click Add. Your new layer is now active, which means anything you draw from this point forward will be placed directly into it. You can confirm it's active by checking that it's highlighted in the Layers dialog. This is a great habit to develop. Before drawing, make sure you're on the right layer to avoid moving things later. Now, go ahead and create shapes, add text, or trace outlines. Everything lands cleanly on that new layer, separate from the rest of your artwork. That's all there is to it. Opening the Layers dialog, adding a layer with a clear name and placement, and then drawing on it will keep your Inkscape projects tidy, flexible, and easy to edit as your design evolves.